Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. Today we got Our Freedom back in the building again with a couple of awesome creations. And yes, it's going to be affordable in the Gear Manager store. And with that being said, let's check out watch face number one. Number one is called Classy Lady. It's a premium 12-hour watch face. I do like the look of this one. And in the AOD mode, you're going to get a similar look. It's just going to be darkened out in the background, but you're still going to get that analog look, which looks nice in this mode. Now, once the watch face is on, I do like to look at the index. Traditional, I like the premium analog hands as well, and you get a traditional second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch as well. Now you get a few dials. Over here is going to be your battery percentage, step goal completed, days of the week down at the bottom, and your date right here, and the watch face is interactive. So if I tap right here, I can pull up my calendar, set an event. Also, if I tap right here, I can set a favorite. I get two places to do that. So if I want to, I can tap up here. I can do the same thing. So you can make the watch face a little bit more convenient. Over here is going to be your battery percentage, and over here is going to give you your step status completed. Now this isn't a bad look for a dress-up watch face, right? But check this out. If I double tap, I can change the theme of the watch face depending on what mood I'm in or what I have on for the day. And I thought this was an awesome look for such a bronze looking watch face, but the themes are very nice. I say check it out and see for yourself. I thought my man got down. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number two. Watch face number two is called Premium Casual Black and White. I do like this premium look. It is a dress up and or a super casual watch face. And in the AOD mode, I really love this look with the black background and the white analog hands. Really gives this a premium look in the AOD mode. And once the watch face is on, I do like this look. I do like the color of the index as well. And your dials, right? You get a few dials within the watch face. You get premium analog hand, a nice premium second hand as well. Now up at the top, that dial is going to give you your goal completed. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your battery percentage, and this sub dial is going to give you your 12 and 24-hour time. Now here's your date, and if you tap on it, you can pull up a calendar, set an event with this one. Down at the bottom, if you tap, your battery info, step status at the top as well. And right over here, if you want to set a favorite, you can set a favorite right here. Make the watch face just a little bit more convenient. Now also, if I double tap, I could change the theme of the watch face. Now this video isn't going to do it justice, but he has some nice themes within this watch face that I thought looked awesome. Let's cycle through a couple of them just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. What do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.